delicious food tour of Gambia, and this time I'm actually cooking some yassa with a local. And here it is, our beloved yassa. Look, Welcome to the smiling coast of Africa, the Gambia. And usually in food videos, I basically just sit and tell you about food, what to try, what not to try. But today I'm going to be making something that's very Gambian with Maryam. She's been very gracious. She invited me into her home, into her kitchen. We'll go to the market, we'll prepare the meal, and we'll have it together, which I'm really excited about. So I hope you really enjoyed this video of food around this episode of Food Around the World, because I already am super excited and a little bit hungry already. So this is Maryam. She's the best chef in all of the Gambia, and we are heading to the market now. So over to you. What are we making?
Thank you. Today we are going to cook a chicken yassa, a delicious one with a nice one with a lot of vegetables. Yes. Yeah. So we can go and see what we will find in the market.
Cool. Yeah. By the way, yassa is usually made with meat or fish, but because we want to, make it quicker, I'm already hungry. We're switching to the chicken. So let's go.
Okay.
We are at the Latikuna market, and Maryam's going to tell what we need to buy. So
we are going to cook a chicken yassa today. We have a lot to buy. You have to buy chicken with a lot of vegetables. Yes.
A lot of onions.
A lot of onions too.
My favorite part.
Yeah.
So let's start. This shop is the equivalent of Tesco, Waitrose, Sainsbury's all put together. Literally everything in one little shop. I am amazed. Wow. It's like he has stuff that keeps coming out. This is great. Brilliant. Looks like we've done most of our shopping in one place now. So excited. We have more stuff to buy though.
Oma.
Ready to go?
Yeah. Cool. Let's go and
we're buying rice, which is really important. We don't really have a lot of bread in the Gambian cuisine, so everyone eats rice during lunch especially.
Yeah, everyone eats rice.
We found something interesting while going around, and it is this. This is kola nut, and Maryam will explain why this is important, especially if you want to get married to a Gambian.
Yeah, it's very important, but if you are getting married, this is what you used to take to your parents, to tell them this is the kola nut. Yeah.
And then you send it to the other family, and if they accept it, that means the proposal is accepted.
Accepted, yes.
They send it back, you're heartbroken, and then you eat it all you by yourself.
Yes.
This is the Ben and Jerry's of Gambia.
Yeah.
Maryam started by cleaning the chicken and then preparing the marinade. There's quite a lot that goes in there. I just wasn't aware that it was gonna be so laborious, but good food demands patience. We left the chicken to marinate, and then Maryam started to fry it. We have prepared the chicken, marinated it, fried it, and now we are, wow, okay. Potatoes next. And I have been given the most difficult duty of handling stuff. It really helps if you think of your ex or your boss, so use that well when you're doing this because you will need it. Alright, Maryam approves, which means I'm good. I'll try to get it shorter. I'm done. I am done. I've done it. This is the most difficult and the integral part of Yassa, so I'll claim the whole thing to my name now. Alright, we continue preparing. Over to you. Cooking isn't the only thing to do in Gambia. There's lots more here. Don't forget to check out my Gambia playlist. The link is above. It has some travel tips as well as things to do in this teeny tiny country. Maryam added some carrots to the rice just for me, and then she actually steamed it before boiling it, which I've never seen before, but the rice was really nice and soft. And here it is, our beloved Yassa. Look, there's so much of it, and I'm gonna eat all of this because I'm so hungry by now. So without wasting more time, let's give it a taste test while Maryama tells you how good an assistant I was throughout the process. Tell them.
Okay. Here we cook our yassa already. Like you can see, it's chicken yassa. We have our chicken with our vegetables. Yeah, it looks nice. And he really enjoying it though. And he was helping me for the whole day. Thanks a lot.
It tastes extra good because I helped her. So there's a tangy taste with the onion, which is always amazing. I just can't get enough of this.
You can taste the vegetable also.
Okay, let me try some of the potatoes.
Super.
It's amazing. I was a little scared when you fried it because I thought it would, will get hard, but it's not that at all. All right.
That's the chicken yassa.
Yes. We have a lot of food to finish. So we'll go now, eat all of this. I tried a couple more things in Gambia, so I'll let you enjoy those and see you then. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys, in order to get an essentially Gambian experience, I'm at Kadie Kadie. It is a restaurant that you need to try. It's quite a busy place, so I have Power with me to explain what we have here. Let's start with this.
Yes, you have this one is the yassa.
Okay.
It's the yassa mainly prepared with a lot of onions, as you can see. It's a stew with onions, prepared in the Gambia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Yeah, you want to try it? Go ahead. Yes, but there is pepper. Be careful. There is pepper around it that makes it so spicy.
Well, that makes it good.
Yeah, it's good. Good.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's really spicy though.
Yeah. Okay.
Yassa.
So good. This one is chew. We call it chew. It's also mainly prepared in the Gambia here. One of the main dishes that are prepared in the Gambia, as you can see.
It has pasta?
It has pastas, yes, and
meat?
This is meat, yes. It's prepared, but you can prepare it with fish or meat, depending on what you want.
And what is this green thing?
Yes, this green thing is also a vegetable that we prepared. It's called rangha.
Okay.
Rangha bisab in our local language.
All right.
Yeah, it's making the flavor, makes the, while you eating it, joining it with the food, it makes it more, you know, more lovely or more delicious, because it's kind of having a sour taste with it to make it look nice.
Okay.
Most of the time when you prepare the Yassa, Benachin, and this one, you put this into it.
Cool.
You know, mostly females love it, you know. They love to have it in their food. Yeah.
But females only, we never
Yeah,
know.
not all men eat it, you know. Yeah, but it's lovely. It's delicious. It makes the food look, give you appetite to eat better.
Okay, and what's this?
This is Domoda.
Okay.
Yes, this is Domoda.
What is special about Domoda?
Domoda. No, Domoda is special in the sense that it's prepared with peanut butter.
All right.
Yeah, and you know, most people love it because it doesn't have oil. Yeah, people that don't like eating food with a lot of oil prepare Domoda.
Right.
You know, they like it. Sometimes they will make to have it, you know, put lemon on it to make it look delicious. It's also prepared.
It's just quite heavy though.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can prepare it with meat. Some prepare it with you know, fish as well.
Right. My favorite is Yassa.
Okay. Then you can have the Yassa.
Yeah, okay. And
Okay.
definitely try the chili.
Yeah.
The more the better.
Okay.
It is not a trip to Gambia if you've not tried Benachin. Now it is a little bit like jollof, but the Gambian version. So it's rice with tomato, and it is spicy, and it comes with the protein, so you can choose, you know, fish, veggies if you want. You know, I've chosen chicken. And I've been told that it's spicy, which I'm quite excited about. Let's give it a try. I like that the chicken has slightly tangy touch, which is really nice. And the rice is really nice. It's really soft, and it's really flavorful. Benachin definitely gets a thumbs up. Here's something else that's quite interesting. It's called dung, and it is pounded rice with sugar. You can have it on its own. It's actually quite nice. Or you could have it as a dessert. It's also quite nice with milk, especially with sour milk. That's the specialty. Maybe after food, we'll try it later. I ate quite a lot of these nice rice balls, which I don't regret at all. They were really delicious. This is all from Gambia when it comes to food. I'm heading to Senegal next, and I will be trying some more interesting food there. Don't forget to check it out. The link is above. I will see you later. Guys, this is Brown Boy Travels. Let me know what you think of the video in the comment section. If I've missed something, please let me know. Also, give me some suggestions about your country. I will see you in the next video. Until then, you have an amazing day ahead. Mwah.